tiger bear too. Teddy the bear, but stuffed, soft and round, wore a tiny red scarf he found on the ground. He said, "Let's go sledding, it'll be super fun." But the others yelled, "Wait, the snow's just begun." Monkey swung from a branch with a whoop and a cheer, slipped on some ice, zoom, and landed right here. He rolled like a ball down the hill in a spin, bumped into Gardner's scarf with a grin. Parrot flap wings, bright feathers so grand, help my tail's frozen, I can't even land. He tried to fly up, but his beak hit a tree. Snow dumped on his head, now he looked like a snowman. Whee! Butterfly fluttered, so tiny and light, but the wind blew her high, out of everyone's sight. She twirled in a blizzard, yelling, "Eek! Oh no!" Landed on Kitten's nose. Achoo! What a show! Kitten meowed, "This snow's way too cold. My paws are like ice, and my whiskers are old." She chased her own tail in a slippery dance, slid into Tiger, who growled, "Give me a chance." Tiger the brave, with stripes bold and fine, tried to roar loud but sneezed, achoo, every time. Snow stuck to his fur, he looked fluffy and white. Roar, I'm a snowball tiger tonight. Then Big Bear lumbered in, all fuzzy and tall. "I'll rescue you all, no problem at all." But he stepped on a patch crunch and fell flat on his back. Now everyone laughed, what a comical pack. They all tumbled together in one big snow pile, giggling and rolling for mile after mile. Teddy hugged Monkey, Parrot hoot butterfly, Kitten hugged Tiger, and Bear gave a sigh. "Wait," cried Teddy, "we're stuck in this heap." The snow was so deep, not a single paw could creep. Monkey had an idea, silly as can be. "Let's build a snow rocket and blast off." Whee! Parrot trod in directions, left wing now right. Butterfly sprinkled sparkles to make it so bright. Kitten pushed with her paws, Tiger gave a big shove. Bear sat in the back like a captain above. They zoomed down the hill in their rocket so grand, spinning and laughing across the white land. They crashed in a soft drift, but no one was hurt, just covered in snow, giggling covered in dirt. Wait! Snow! Out popped their heads, one by one in a row. Teddy, Monkey, Parrot, Butterfly, Kitten, Tiger, Bear. Hooray! Let's go! They hugged in a circle, all fluffy and wet. The best snowy rescue they'd never forget. From that day on, whenever snow starts to fall, they remember the day of the funniest call. A hilarious rescue, full of slips, flips, and cheer. my dear.